Can we remove Google Photos from our Gmail account? Hello, everybody. In today's video, we are going to find out. So, without any delay, let's start. First thing let's do is let's head over to Google Photos application. Open it up. So, in order to access Google Photos, you need a Gmail account. So, if you're trying to remove your Gmail account from Google Photos, unfortunately, we cannot do it. You cannot directly remove Google Photos from a Gmail account as they are linked together. However, what you can do is you can delete all photos from Google Photos or stop backing up the photos. In order to do so from your interface, you can tap on your profile at the top, right? And from the given interface, you may scroll down and look for the option called Photo Settings. After you open up Photo Settings, you will be finding these options. So look for the option called Backup. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, you may just go ahead and look for the enable disable option. So you just need to turn this off, backup and sync, and it will uh, basically not back up your photos from your device. So apart from that, what you can do is you can try installing the Google Photos application like any other app. So you can just go ahead and long press on Photos application. After that, you should be finding an uninstall option. Just go ahead and tap on it and you may install your Google Photos from your device. Apart from that, what you can do is you can open up Google Photos, and deleting photos from Google Photos will also delete them from your phone if backup is enabled until you disable it. So you can just go ahead and look out for the pictures, and once you've deleted the photos, you can remember to empty out the trash bin. So this is how you can basically remove Google Photos from your Google account. So I hope this video was helpful. Video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.